In this video, I'll show you how to unblock Cloudflare. If you're having some Cloudflare issues on your Chrome, I'll show you what you need to do. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. Now, what you need to do, the very first step you need to do is to open up your Chrome. If you're on your PC or on your Android, this is going to work out well for you. So open up your Chrome, click on this three-dotted icon, wait for it to load up, click on settings. Once it has opened up, scroll down, you're going to be able to find the privacy and security, and so this is it. So click on it. So once that's opened up, what you need to do now, click on this save browsing, put it on enhanced protection. Once you have put it on enhanced protection, click on done and go back. Come on here to this delete browsing data, click on browsing data, come on here, uncheck tab, uncheck calc image, click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, everything is going to automatically get well for you. Then once you are done here on Chrome, I'll show you what you need to do again. So go back, restart your phone. Once you have restarted your phone, once your phone has turned on again or your system, you can be able to go on and check and see that everything is now working. So you can see hi. So if you followed what I just showed you, you're not going to be able to be facing these issues again. So this is it. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.